Welcome. Today, we're diving into the intricate world of logistics management and customer service. Two warriors forever interlocked in a ballad of business operations. When it comes to logistics, it's all about managing the journey of goods from point A to point B. It's an intricate dance featuring all sorts of fancy footwork, coordination, resources, activities, all to meet customer demands. But logistics, without a focus on customer service, is like a dance without music. Customer service is like our conductor, providing the rhythm and pace, guiding customers, ensuring a satisfying toe tapping experience with their purchases. Now, imagine a performer fluffs their lines, hiccups in manufacturing or shipping make an item unavailable, enter stage right product substitutes. On the understudies of the retail world, these items match or exceed the original in quality, size, or brand, ready to step in when the star can't perform. Fantastic plot twist, wouldn't you say? It not only keeps the show going, but also reduces production and shipping costs and can potentially improve the customer's experience. Even budget-conscious audience members can enjoy an encore performance. However, the show must not go on without the audience's consent. This calls for some Oscar-worthy communication skills, clear, precise, empathetic, and alas, the plot thickens. Because there's always a risk that some audience members may not enjoy the substitute's performance, leading to potentially negative review. In conclusion, product substitutes are both a hero and a villain in our captivating drama of logistics and customer service, offering cost and quality benefits, but presenting significant challenges too. The grand finale, it's all about ensuring a standing ovation with every audience member through thoughtful product substitution.